the only task manager that follows up for you accounts. Meet FollowUP, powered by AI.
This procedure outlines the steps to configure notification settings accessed via the bell icon in Trueaiwork. It ensures consistent setup of browser push notifications for effective user alerts. Click the Settings option in the Trueaiwork application to open the configuration menu. Click the Notifications section within the Settings menu to manage alert preferences. Click the Browser Push Notifications option to access browser-based notification settings. This step details the process to enable browser push notifications in Trueaiwork via the bell icon settings. Following these steps ensures users receive timely browser alerts as configured.